Okay, so now that we have some basic code running, let's see how we can actually work along with AI to build a functional app. So it has done some review and it's found that there are some linter errors in the form component, and it is going to make the fix, but I think it requires certain modules to be installed, so it's asking me to do that, and then that's something that you can do in this agent. You can just run the command from here, and it kind of starts a small terminal locally and then runs it, so you don't have to switch anywhere. You could just make use of this itself. I could probably make it bigger now, since the third panel is kind of the main panel going forward when you are doing this wipe coding, right? So let's keep going at it. It's not asking me for anything, so I'll not interfere. Let it keep doing its stuff. So this is what I'm getting when I'm opening the front end now. I don't know what's wrong, so let me go ahead and take a snapshot of this and pass it on to the cursor. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to tell it that okay, I tried accessing the URL, but I'm getting the error in the attached image. Let's see what it does, right? Because if you want to fix the issues, then again, in this case, there is no need to try and go and debug much. Just take the image, pass it on. Let's see what it does. So is that React router is properly handling the route? Fair enough. So let's see what it does with that. Okay, it is trying to analyze and see that there could be a bunch of issues. So I think it will go through all of them and try and suggest some fix. Let's see. So it is still trying to help me with fixing it. It's creating some test files to see if the routing works. So it's trying to still figure things out. And let's see till it gets it done. We'll keep trying it. Okay, finally, after a bit of a back and forth, I think it figured out, and now I have my code running, app running. It's showing up in a very basic CSS format. Of course, there is no CSS applied to this, but it has got this running. Okay, so we managed to kind of put together an app, although it is far from having decent CSS and a lot of other features. So let's see how we can actually add those features in the next video.